I also got some ideas like how they are passionate about each and everything. They want to improve themselves in every possible way. Sometimes the technical skills, sometimes soft skills. Sometimes they are too conscious about their health also, like what food, what kind of food they want to eat. So in office, I have observed
And
these things a lot,
yes,
and even I
yeah. And when
inculcated this
we,
thing.
yeah. So what about you?
Okay, I'm good today. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day today? Is it like bad day or something?
It was not bad day, I can say, because my son has suffering from fever, so I was busy with him because he needs to me.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Okay.
when our kids feel sick or diseases, so we are worried about regarding them.
Yes, yes, I can understand.
So first of all, yeah, I really elated to see you here because I watch your so many video with I can say English Yari or Clapingo. I didn't remember exact
Mhm.
name. It was really very nice session. From that day, I thought I should also connect with you.
Okay.
And yeah, and finally, I can say I get a chance to connect with you.
Good to know this, and thank you so much. You liked my video. Okay, so can we start with a short introduction? I think I have also seen your face.
Actually, I also connected so many YouTuber as well, like Rajni Verma, Shanta ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
Ram. So
Okay.
maybe you, yeah, have been seen there some, yeah,
It may be.
some of video. Yes, yes. So as you know that my name is Suman. I am from Delhi. Actually, I am from Kanpur.
Mm-hmm.
My born was there, but I hail in Chandigarh. And right now I got married in Delhi, so I live in here. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done graduation. Apart from that, I have done NTT diploma. Currently, I'm doing masters in English literature, and simultaneously, I am also running a YouTube channel. I started my journey with initially learning stage.
Mm-hmm.
Then I thought I should also upload video for my memory purpose. But people love me and people give me positive comments, so I can say this is become my passion nowadays. So yeah, that's all about me. And I'm also teacher by profession.
Mm-hmm.
I teach primary student. Yes.
So you teach in a school or coaching?
No, no, I teach at my home as like coaching. I open my not a very big, I can say small coaching. But my dream is one day I will open my big institute. So I am preparing of that kind of I can say dream.
Definitely you can.
First, I
So
have first I have to be proficient this language, then I will open.
yes, yes, you are right. Firstly, we
Yeah,
need to
so
work on ourselves. When you are comfortable, then you can continue that things also. And you are already teaching, so definitely you have some experience and you will gain some confidence and experience till then. And then you can start your institute as well. That's
yes,
good idea.
yes, yes, you are absolutely right. So I also eager to know about you.
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. And about my education, I have completed engineering in IT stream. And currently, I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube for past 2.5 years now. And my hobbies, I love to do drawing, dancing, and traveling sometime. That's all about me.
Wow, great to hear that. All right. So you love to dancing
Yes, I love dancing, but to
and
be honest,
traveling.
to be honest, I'm not good at dancing. But when I see other people or maybe sometimes on videos or reels, then I feel why I'm not like them. I need to be like them, like a good dancer. But to be honest, because of my work schedule, I don't get enough time for following my passion or like sometimes we think that yes, we should do this things or that thing, but because of lack of time we are not able to do so.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. I also very fond of to do dance, but because of I can say time, um, we can't fulfill our all desires. We
Yes.
have so many desire. We have to like sometime we feel I have to do, I have to do. You know, there are so many kind of like personality, but some of personality like this, like that, they are hunger to grab everything. So I can say one of them. I am also. I always
Mm-hmm.
hunger to grab something. Whenever I get free, when I see to someone, wow, he or she is really very good at dance, then I thought I should also do hard work. I should also do. When I see someone speak very fluently, then I thought I should also do more and more work. I should also become like them. So I can say this is kind of my thinking.
I think it's a like same thinking about most of the people. When you see other people, they are good at this thing, that thing. So we feel like, why I'm not like them? I should be like them. Like yes, I should become good dancer or good singer. Or sometime when you see a fluent speaker, then we feel why I'm not speaking so well. I have to speak like them. So it's a like we never get satisfaction from ourselves. And I think we shouldn't be
Right.
satisfied. Then only we will do something good,
Yes.
or we can, try to get better every day. Otherwise, if you are satisfied with yourself, then you won't do the other stuff.
Right, absolutely right. So, as you are mentioned in your intro, you are working in a like a engineering field, right? So,
Yes.
Are you working from your home? Work from home?
Yes, yes. I am working from home. During the COVID, I got this work from home opportunity. Otherwise, I had to go to office every day. But during COVID, I came back to my hometown, and now it is going the same, like work from home only.
Okay. So, do you like to go to office or just you want to stay and do work from home?
To be honest, sometimes I miss office days and I want to go there because I feel that I am a kind of introvert person. So I'm not getting chance to interact people face to face, and I speak very less. When it is required, then only I will speak. Otherwise, no. The limited talk only. So when I used to go to office at that time, I was getting chance to interact with different people. However, I was not good at speaking that time. So, but now I feel that if I'll get the opportunity again, so maybe I have improved myself a bit, like because of this kind of conversation. So now I can speak with them. And there are other benefit also if you are going to office, because now what happens, I am in front of my laptop and in a single room, and I'm not interacting with other people. And when it comes to like work related stuff, then only I connect with my colleagues, and when we have any meetings, then only. Otherwise we are not doing any kind of other talks, like casual talks or sometime. But in office you
Mm-hmm.
can do this thing. You can get the
Yes.
idea from different people. Sometimes it's not about that you are just connected with your team. You can talk with anyone at office, like. So in this way
Yes.
we can improve our personality as well.
Yeah. And when we go somewhere, so we learn so many things from our environment,
Yes.
how to present ourselves in front of senior and junior. We learn so many things. And when we we also learn how, there are so many office over there. We just wearing only dress code. There are some also office they we can wear anything.
Hmm.
So we also get to idea what kind should wear dress. There are so many things which is really very beneficial for us.
Yes, yes, you're right. You're right. I remember one thing, that when I go to office, So that time I met with so many people. They were too passionate about their health, and they were too conscious about the skill set that they want to improve. So we got this. I also got some ideas like how they are passionate about each and everything. They want to improve themselves in every possible way. Sometimes the technical skills, sometimes soft skills. Sometimes they are too conscious about their health also, like what kind of food they want to eat. So in office I have observed
And
these things a lot.
yes,
And even I
yeah. And when
inculcated these
we,
things,
yeah,
but now I'm like became little bit lethargic. I don't want to do for myself.
yes,
Like,
when we stay home, then we don't want to do. Even, if I talk about personally myself, so when I used to go my college, so I love to wear different dresses. I am really very fond of like wearing clothes. I don't have any other passion like jewelry, but I have a two passion, watch and dresses. I love to change each and every single day. But when from I stay home, so just lower t-shirt, sometime uh, pajama, others, and suit other. So I thought what I am become nowadays to stay home. So, when we outside, so we know what is the fashion outside going on. It is also mandatory when we go any working place because when we stay home, so there is no any, I can say, matter. But when we go like school, like office, so outer side personalities also matter.
yes, you are right. We see a lot of people how they are wearing, how they are carrying themselves. So we learn a lot from them. What the fashion style is going on. I am like you because I also don't like to wear all the accessories or makeup stuff, but I love wearing new clothes. So I'm also fond of wearing clothes. So whenever any occasion or like every time I try to find out the new one only. Sometimes I get
Mhm.
scolded by my mom and dad like you waste so much money on your dresses only. You can do some other stuff.
Just You know why I think they scold you because you just prefer to wear only special occasion. You don't wear like each and every single day. So that's the reason your mother or your dad thought about your dresses. Just she purchased and keep their Almira. So this
Right.
is a waste of money. So that's the reason they scold. Yeah, if you go like any office, then I think they don't scold you because then they can understand, yes, my daughter go to office, so she need.
Yes, you are right. My each and every clothes are in a almirah, and we are not wearing it at home because we have the comfortable clothes only when we are at home. Otherwise, if you go to office every day, you feel like I don't have enough clothes to go office.
Yes, yes, right. Yeah, you are absolutely right. We have a even full of clothes, our Elmira. Still, we feel we don't have clothes when we go outside. It's occurs, I think, with every girl.
Every girl. Yeah, you are right. Girls
Mhm.
are too
So, do
obsessed
you
with their
have
dresses.
siblings?
Yes, I have. I have elder sister, but she got married, and I have younger brothers. Three younger brothers.
Okay. So, have they like fighting each other or not?
Yes, my sister used to fight with me a lot because we were like the same age. So we always used to, fight for over the clothes sometime makeup accessories, and each and
So
everything.
when our sister like same age, so most of the time they fighting each other. Most of the time like only clothes.
Yeah.
I have also two younger sister, and both are quarreling each other. Then younger one call me. We look at her. She don't allow to wear. Uh, 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 she don't allow to wear its clothes, and she always wear mine. So yeah, she complained. about jewelry, slippers even. Nowadays, when girl want to go outside, so they also want sleeper match with suits and like jeans, whatever. So, but they don't want to share.
Yes, yes, I can totally relate and uh, uh, relate these things because I used to do the same things with my sister. What do you usually do in your free time apart from speaking English?
Nowadays, I don't want to do another things because I want to, as much as possible, I want to enhance my communication skills.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever I get free, so sometime I prefer to watch English conversation video and podcast. Apart from that, when we once we work start on the YouTube channel, so it takes too much time. So like whenever I feel free, so making thumbnail, editing video, like these I spend my time. But when I feel like lethargic or monotonous, so I love to scroll my phone
Mm-hmm.
because for my entertainment, yeah. And I have also kid, so sometimes spend with him time, yeah, quality time. Sometimes I have to play with him because he is alone, so he don't want to go outside to play. I always said to him, go and play with the street boy, whoever like play in the street. So he don't want to go. He just immerse with his school friends. When his school friends come to play, then he just play. They don't want to play with other boys. So in the evening, mostly he said to me, "Mama, please play with me football,
Mm-hmm.
bat ball." So I have to play with him for his happiness.
Mm,
Not
yes,
every time, because when we need to play with the kids, so we need too much energy.
yes, and they are too energetic, but we don't have enough energy.
Hmm. While playing, when I sit, so he interrupt me. Mama, why do you sit? It's our playing time. Then I said to him, Beta, I don't want to stay. I can't stand too much. So, because I feel lethargic, because after teaching the student, I don't feel too much fresh. So he usually after tuition play with me.
Because I also know when I play with my niece, so usually she walks here and there and run here and there, and I get tired while doing these things. So I just feel she is too energetic even in such a young age, like 5 years. She's only 5 years now, and she is too energetic. Why I don't have enough energy to even play with her? So I feel the same.
Yes,
Thank you so
yes,
much for your time, and I enjoyed this conversation thoroughly. And yeah, have a great day.
yes. I also enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for sending me message. I really glad.
Thanks to you as well.
Okay,
Bye bye.
okay. Bye bye.